Guys, good morning. So, part 2 tayo ng mga antihistamine na binili natin sa Watson. So, i-label read natin to. So, na-label read natin kanina si Cetirizine. So, ngayon yung Loratadine naman, no? So, yung sa Google, yan, Loratadine, commonly known as by the brand name Claritin, pero itong nabili natin brand is Alerta, is a second generation non-sedating antihistamine used to relieve symptoms of seasonal allergies, hay fever, and hives, urticaria. It works by blocking H1 receptors to reduce sneezing, running nose, itchy throat, and watery eyes. It is available over the counter and is usually taken orally once daily. So, yun nga guys, excuse me. So temporarily relieves allergic rhinitis, katulad kanina, so running nose and chronic hives. It's also used to manage reactions to insect bites or stings. So yun. So yung insect bites ko, yung mga lamok at saka langgam, doon din ako na allergy. Bukod dun sa allergy ko sa chicken and egg. So excuse me po. So yun nga, kaya bumili ako ng mga antihistamine. So ito, guys, i-label read natin tong Loratadine. So tinabili ko sa Watson. So fast acting and non-drowsy, 5 tablets. So yun, Unilab Loratadine Alerta 10 mg tablet antihistamine. So ito siya, yan. So ito Alerta. So label read natin yung sino manufacturer. So obviously, so yung brand Alerta Unilab, pero sino ba manufacturer nito? Mamaya yan na natin. So, formulation, Loratadine, 10 mg. Then, contraindication if you are allergic to any ingredients in this product. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding. So, caution pag buntes na. Then, ayan, saglit focus. So, indication, this medicine is used for the relief of symptoms associated with allergic rhinitis such as sneezing, running itchy nose, and itchy water eyes. Skin symptoms of allergy such as itch and rash. So, ito yung mga rashes, makate, sa gawa ng allergy. So, manufactured by Unilab yun. So, ito, buti naman, manufactured siya in the Philippines. Manufactured for Unilab sa Mandaluyong office by Amherst Laboratories, na associated din sa Unilab kasi nasa Unilab Pharma Campus, Barangay Mamplasan, Binyan, Laguna, Philippines. So itong Alerta, made in Binyan, Laguna. Okay, taga dyan ako sa Binyan, Laguna. Then this medicine should be taken orally. So adults and children about 12 years, 1 tablet. So a day, hanggang sana yun lang, pero medyo guilty ako pag kasi na allergy ako, namamaga ilong ko. Minsan 3 o 2 sa isang araw ininom ko eh. So ayun yung manufacturing date niya, expiration date niya, so 2 years. So yun lang guys. At least ito medyo mahal din to eh. Mamahal nga ng antihistamine, pero no choice eh. Sana mamurahan ng Unilab na. Yun lang guys. Thank you.